Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a XIU 3-in-1 portable magnetic wireless charger as well as stand. I'm purchasing this one from Amazon. Link is available on video description. In this video, we will see which types of product I'm receiving and how exactly we are using. Let's check it out. Now I just simply do the unboxing here. Box and everything is very prime quality. This is the magic booklet, how to use in different languages as well. Inside the box, oh, it's very nice. Even they are providing the charger as well, and C to C type cable. It's really nice. Here is our product. Product quality, oh, it's amazing. You have Apple Watch, so you should connect here the Apple Watch, and charging is a start. Continuously you should charge 3 devices. So final outcome, I connect here the Apple Watch. Look at this, the charging is start. Second is iPhone, the charging is a start, and third one is AirPod. Look at this, with the cover you can charge very easily the AirPod. Continuously 3 products you can charge, and the charging is a distribute equally of each product. That one is really nice. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.